In the Literature Resource Center database, the Work Search link is a convenient navigation tool to biographies, criticism, multimedia, primary sources, and reviews. The Works Search link is located on the right side of the toolbar. Click on it to find information about various works of literature. On the Work Search page, type a title into the main search box to see all results for that title. Let's try the novel Lonesome Dove. Click the magnifying glass symbol or press Enter to see results. On this page, you would click the first link, since that one is for the novel Lonesome Dove. Here, you will see a breakdown of results by content type, such as the number of results for literature criticism. You can click on any of these links to see a list of results. Click on the drop-down menu next to Sort By if you want to see the newest information first. Click on a title to read the full article. On the Work Search page, you can also do an author search. Type the author's last name into the box. Suggested names will appear as you start typing. Click Search. By default, results are arranged alphabetically by the titles of the author's works. To see more, click on the Show More Results button at the bottom. In the Sort By box, click Type of Work to reorganize the result list. Here, all autobiographies are listed together, as well as poems. You will see the number of articles for the autobiography, The Liars Club. After you click on a title, you will see a page with links to various types of content. Click on a link to see articles. If you have further questions about using the Work Search link in the Literature Resource Center database, please feel free to reach out to us.